Sedentary muscle atrophy is a silent epidemic, but you can escape the decay by hacking your human biology. We are integrating kangaroo-inspired isokinetic loading to transform your rigid frame into a system of elastic power. Don't let your muscles waste away when you can reactivate your body's original spring-like biological blueprint right now. This video is for information purposes only, and the views expressed are those found through researching the topic. Before attempting any of the techniques described, please consult your physician or health provider. While most accept a loss of mobility as an unavoidable part of aging, the capacity for fluid explosive movement is a design feature of your anatomy currently lying dormant. What does nature, animals or plants teach us about human health? Our modern environment is defined by stillness. Hours spent at desks and in front of screens keep our bodies in fixed, stagnant positions that our anatomy was never designed to maintain. This chronic lack of movement stiffens the connective tissues and dehydrates the fascia, causing a steady degradation of the body's original structural integrity. To counter this, many turn to man-made solutions, linear exercise machines designed to isolate muscles and move heavy loads through restricted artificial paths. These machines often fail to address the root of atrophy. By focusing on isolated force rather than integrated movement, they create excessive friction that can gradually wear down human joints. The core issue in muscle atrophy is not simply a reduction in muscle size, but the erosion of kinetic elasticity. When tissues lose their elastic quality, they lose the ability to store and return energy, leaving the body reliant on muscular strain rather than structural rebound. Reversing this decay requires a shift in focus. We must redesign how our bodies manage energy storage rather than measuring health by the weight we can lift. The kangaroo serves as a biological masterclass in energy efficiency. Its biology provides a solution for locomotion that is more resilient than current mechanical engineering. This same created spring-like design is visible in the plant world. Plant stems use structural elasticity to bend under high winds and snap back without damage, preserving their integrity through flexible tension. In the kangaroo, this principle is scaled up through the lower leg tendons, which function as biological energy reservoirs. By acting as a biological spring, the tendon captures kinetic energy and anchors it away from the joint, preventing impact stress. As the animal lands, the energy storage curve rises sharply. The tendon absorbs the landing force, storing it efficiently with minimal muscle strain. When pushing off, that stored energy releases as elastic power. This allows massive propulsion without high-intensity contraction or joint friction. The efficiency of this blueprint highlights why man-made linear exercise systems, which focus on joint-heavy lifting, are often structurally insufficient for maintaining long-term mobility. This mechanical efficiency is a foundational part of human anatomy. We share a specific structural bond with this mechanism, as our bodies were designed to utilize these same principles of tension and recoil. These are equipped with dormant elastic fascial networks, particularly in the lower limbs, that mirror the function of the kangaroo's tendons. This shared biomechanical architecture is an original created design, a biological blueprint intended to provide us with effortless, low-impact movement. Experts in biomechanics and elite coaching are now reverse engineering this natural design to address modern physical decay and joint pain. By loading the human frame isokinetically, these specialists can physically rebuild the degraded biological springs within our connective tissues. This approach restores tissue density and reverses atrophy while shielding the joints from the wear and tear associated with traditional weight training. Tapping into this original created blueprint allows for a transformation of the physical frame, turning a rigid system back into one of elastic power. Tapping this function does not require the heavy infrastructure of a modern gym or complex machinery. Because this system is biological, it responds to simple, rhythmic inputs, mimicking natural patterns of tension. You can implement a daily action plan based entirely on these principles of biomimicry to reactivate your own elastic networks. Step 1 is 5 minutes of low-impact, kangaroo-inspired biometric bouncing each morning. By keeping the movement light and springy, you train the tendons and fascia to absorb and return energy rather than just absorbing shock. Step 2 involves using simple isokinetic resistance bands. These provide continuous, smooth tension that simulates the natural loading of biological springs, strengthening the tissue without locking the joints. This daily rhythm facilitates the rapid flushing of the lymphatic system, assisting the body in clearing metabolic waste more effectively. Over time, this practice leads to the holistic rebuilding of dense, functional muscle tissue that is both strong and resilient. Aligning our daily movements with nature's intelligent design offers a holistic method for reversing the decay caused by a sedentary lifestyle. Nature's designs provide the most effective templates for health, offering solutions that outmatch many man-made interventions. To discover more biological blueprints and how they apply to your life, subscribe to the channel. Joining this community will help you actively apply these vital lessons from the natural world to support your own holistic health. We invite you to leave a comment below. Share which natural health techniques you have tried and found useful in your daily routine. We value your input and make a point to read and answer your comments as we explore these topics together. Natural transformation becomes possible when we stop fighting our biology and begin applying the functional patterns found in the natural world.